Welcome to Chicago's West Loop, a prime destination for upscale dining. Today we're taking a look at a stylish downtown destination that blends upscale dining with warm hospitality. Serving up some modern Italian dishes under a classic Chicago steakhouse name, this is Gibsons Italia. I'm here with Greg Horan. Thanks so much for having us in today. I can't wait to talk about this because it's new and it's incredible.
The Gibsons Steakhouse is a classic American steakhouse, but still has the exuberance and the energy that other steakhouses have.
And speaking of exuberance and energy, I can see it in not just the location and the views of the Chicago skyline, but in the decor. Tell me about where the inspiration for all this came from.
So the inspiration, our architect Mark Nauer was inspired by mid-century Milan. The dining room chairs were actually inspired by the desk chairs for that used by Enzo Ferrari. And we have, spectacular views here, floor-to-ceiling windows on all floors, so there's really not a bad seat in the house.
And you have some private space as well, right?
We do, yes. On the rooftop, we use that for private events, cocktail hors d'oeuvre parties, up to 150.
Wow.
Retractable glass roof, the whole front opens. Spectacular scene onto the city.
Wow, that's great, fantastic. And so, if you can't get in for dinner, I know we're standing here in your incredible bar, so talk to me about your bar.
Yeah, that's the great thing about the bar here. We serve a full menu here, lunch and dinner. We've got about 200 seats down here, and it's very active, and again, fantastic views and very comfortable.
Everybody wants to get in here, there's a lot of space, but what do people want to come for? They want to come for the food, right?
Why don't we bring out Chef Sosa and he can talk to you a little bit about the food.
Fantastic. We're here with Chef Jose Sosa. Chef, thanks so much for having us. Tell us, what is modern Italian?
So here at Gibsons Italia, we're a modern Italian steakhouse where we offer an international beef program. Our pastas are house-made, gold extruded, so we went to the next level to provide the best quality for the customers. We have the best steaks, international beef program, the best risotto, house-made pastas, gold extruded with the Senatore Capelli, and the best side dishes.
So you say gold extruded pasta. Explain that to me.
The dyes are made of golds to provide a better texture for the pasta. So at the end, it's a better result on the flavor on the pasta. Sometimes when you get a pasta, the sauce is always on the bottom. On our pastas, it's all mixed, combined. When you get each bite is gonna have the same flavor.
So your pasta is really the gold standard,
yes,
right?
We have the best pastas in town.
Wonderful.
All the menu items are my favorite. We have the Gibsons USDA Chicago cut. It's one of my favorite cuts, and it's one of the favorites for all the customers. And then on the right side, we have the grass-fed Australian New York steak. The flavor is amazing.
It looks delicious.
It does, it looks absolutely delicious. I hear that you also have perfectly portioned house-made desserts, right?
Yes, instead of having big desserts here, we provide small desserts, really easy to share, house-made, and seasonal desserts. We'll change it depending on the season and what's available locally.
Gibsons Italia is the place to come for beautiful views, warm hospitality, and modern Italian favorites.
So to find out more about Gibsons and all of our Chicago favorites, visit us at imts.com/Chicago. And I think we're going to dig into this delicious food.
Enjoy.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you like our Around Chicago series? Let us know. Leave a comment below and click subscribe to keep up to date on all the latest IMTS news. And as always, thanks for watching.